This is a demonstration showing how I connect my Samsung Galaxy S4 smartphone to internet using wired connection instead of Wi-Fi connection. I'm only showing you a simplified end result. The actual procedure to make it work was actually very complicated and risky. The detailed steps I followed are in the article link in the description of this video. However, I am not recommending that you do this on your phone because it required the phone to be rooted and required installation of apps and procedure that can potentially make the smartphone unusable. I am only showing you that it was possible in my case and how it works for me. The first demonstration here is where I am using Bobjgear on-the-go Ethernet adapter. This is comparison of the results of speed test using the Wi-Fi connection and then by using wired Ethernet cable connection. In my case, the results are better when using the wired Ethernet connection. The ping time is 1 millisecond in this test when using wired connection compared to 15 millisecond in the Wi-Fi connection. And also the download and the upload speeds are better in the wired connection. Now for normal use of the smartphone, the difference is not really that significant, but if I need stable, low latency connection for activities like internet phone calls or video calls, then the results are better when using the wired Ethernet connection. This setup works well. However, one difficulty I experienced was that the on-the-go adapter was using a lot of power from the smartphone battery and it only lasted about 2 hours at a time, and that was not enough for me. Eventually, after some research and testing, I have another setup as shown in this picture where I can charge the smartphone simultaneously while using the on-the-go Ethernet adapter. I had to use another on-the-go Ethernet adapter with the standard USB connection, and I use it in combination with this 2CTA hub. In this setting, I can use the on-the-go Ethernet adapter without any time limit due to battery limit. The end result is good for me and it works well. But as I said, the procedure is very complicated and risky, so please be aware of that. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.